How to find message request option in Google Chat. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you find message request option in Google Chat. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Google Chat on your device. So as usual you can open this through the Google Chat app, and as usual you can open it from the Google. So you have to open the Google Chat, and now from here, after you open the Google Chat, you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to tap on this message option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll got options like message request. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll be able to see the message request on this Google Chat app. All right, so in some cases the message request has been gone to your spam. So for that you will have to tap on spam to view the message request which have been gone to spam just at the bottom left corner of the screen. So simply tap on the spam, and now from here you can check the spam or message request from the here. So I can now accept this message request from the spam, so you can accept from here. Okay, so this is the easiest and simplest method to find the message request option in Google Chat via the spam or the message request option. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.